How to change player name in Invincible guarding the globe game. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. In this video, we will be learning how you can easily change your player name in the Invincible game. So first of all, launch open Invincible guarding the globe game on your device. And once you're inside this main home page, go ahead and click on the level button at the top left. And it'll open up this pop-up menu where you need to tap on your current player name. Erase the current name and write down a new one. Once you do that, you can now head back to the game homepage and you have successfully changed your player name immediately. So there you have it. That is how you can change your player name in Invincible guarding the globe game on your mobile device or your tablets. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.